Hello. Starting to lose my voice, so I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video, but I'm tearing it apart so that I can raise the roof a little bit. We'll do some double checking, and I'll show all the porting and whatnot that I did do it. One step at a time. But yeah, I'm going to check the squish. If I remember correctly, it was like 18 thousandths. 20 thousandths maybe. I always check over top of the wrist pin. That's the left or the right, not the front and the back. Oh. Ooh, that's pretty flat. That's pretty fucking flat. See how thin that is? Fuck, I can't even see how thin that is. Let's see here. What do we get? 18, 23, 21. Yeah, 18 to 20. For such a big saw, it's pretty fucking tight, let me tell you. I would like to see something along the lines of, like, I don't know, 22 thousandths, 24 thousandths. It's got mad compression. You can't pull it over without hitting the decomp. But it's a runner, let me tell you. Runs real nice like. You won't ever lose your pieces. That's where those belong. I'll be right back. I'm gonna make some noise. Holy crap, dude. How many threads are on these things? So I'm taking off the intake horn. I don't know what else you'd call it. Air filter horn. Something like that. Yeah. There's the little rubber thing underneath that it's attached to. So yeah. How's everybody doing? Are we having fun? Do we enjoy ourselves? I've done 0 modifications to this thing. Not that there's a lot to do. There's just really not. But I haven't done any modifications to it. And then just that thing. And there's that. All right, there's that. I don't actually have to take the carb off at all in order to get the cylinder off, which is super nice. Might end up having to take the handle off. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. We shall see. Okay, there's that. Alright. Gotta go find my impact tools. They're just longer. Excuse me. This one doesn't belong here. Interesting. Oh, I found the one I'm looking for. Put it in the wrong spot. It's okay. Shall see. We shall see. Shall see what the hell I did. Okay. Impact, come out to me. Where are you? Do. Now, I don't usually use an impact, especially if I'm reassembling. I will not use an impact for reassembly, but to tear it apart, I will. I'd like to do this for a living one day, but I don't think that's ever going to happen. That's okay. Can't always get what we want. But you find that we always get what we need.
Okay. What do you think about me calling the school and letting them know we'll pick up Lily at 2:30?
That's fine.
Okay.
Damn it. I dropped it. Uh-oh. I dropped it and I don't see it. Okay. Little blowing off real quick before I take the cylinder off. that's weird. Gotcha. Oh, I see what's holding me on. Yeah, there it goes. Yay, I did it. Doesn't look too bad at all. I forgot to polish the exhaust last time, so we'll see. I didn't touch the uppers. I did a little bit to the lowers. I'm going to do some more to them. But and I didn't raise the exhaust roof. Come on, fingers. It's so shiny in there still. Anyways, I didn't raise the exhaust roof, and I didn't touch the floor of the cylinder intake. The squish fan looks pretty good. So there's that. There's my muffler. Okay, so let me turn it around. There's my piston. Exactly how it came out. That's weird. I wonder what that is. That's weird. A little clean spot. It's a lot of carbon buildup for 5-6 tanks of gas. 7 tanks of gas maybe. If you're going to do this kit, you have to grind. You have to grind down here on both sides to fit the piston, or else it's too big, like way too big. And then I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did a lot of work to the piston. A lot of work to the piston. Oh, and there's no windows, but I lightened the weight of the piston by quite a bit. It was a fresh rebuild last time. It'll be just a gasket this time. But let's see if I can get you set up so you can... Yeah. I'll just start another video. It'll be fine. Anyways, here's my cylinder. Don't touch the outsides of the transfers. There's almost no meat there. It's not really worth it. But yeah, everybody wants me to put a timing wheel on this bad boy, so I guess I will. I really wasn't going to, because when I blind port, all I do is I change things like the exhaust, the width of a ring, piston ring, and it seems to work out real nice without taking away too much torque. I mean, I'm not getting maximum mods out of this, but the mods I am getting are very helpful to the people that are getting it, so that's pretty nice. Hopefully I can learn some more. A lathe would be nice. I get a lathe one of these days. When I get a lathe, I'll be able to do some max porting. That'll be sweet. But for now, I've got my 390 with 18,000 squish and my 350 with a 24-inch 3/8 bar on it. So, yeah. You guys have a great day.